Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change oil in a Ford Fusion. First, gather your new oil, a new oil filter, a wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your car is on a flat surface and the engine is cool to the touch. Locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and the oil filter, which is often nearby. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and efficient. Now, place your drain pan directly beneath the oil drain plug. Using your wrench, carefully loosen the plug. Be ready for the oil to start flowing once the plug is removed. Let all the old oil drain completely into the pan. This usually takes several minutes. Once it's fully drained, you can prepare to reinstall the plug and replace the filter. Next, carefully remove the old oil filter. It might contain some residual oil, so have a rag ready. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Screw the new filter on by hand until it's snug, then give it about 3/4 of a turn more. Finally, reinstall the drain plug with a new washer, tightening it firmly. With the new filter and drain plug in place, it's time to add fresh oil. Locate the oil fill cap, usually marked with an oil can symbol. Consult your owner's manual for the correct oil type and capacity, typically around 5 quarts. Pour the new oil slowly. After filling, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.